Well, we've got some wintry weather coming our way again here in the forecast. It's happening right now in some places. And as we make our way into tomorrow, our first alert weather day might get a little worse. So here's what to expect. First of all, we're concerned about hazardous travel. That's why I've raised the first alert weather day, because we're looking at the potential for some significant blowing snow and low visibility, all thanks to some strong winds combined with some light snow. We're looking at another 1 to 3 inches of snow over the coming days. And adding wind to that, or any wind to the snow that's already on the ground, and we've got those problems of blowing snow. We could see gusts in eastern North Dakota, especially up to 45 miles per hour by tomorrow night. So that could lead to some real trouble over into open country, those areas that don't have a lot to break up that wind. Visibility could be dropping quite a bit. So that's why we're looking ahead to that first alert weather day. I want to give you that heads up. Right now, conditions aren't so bad. We've got that snow moving through. Temperatures are a little chilly thanks to the clear skies we had overnight and just the overall cold air mass. And the wind isn't that much of a problem. We're looking at wind speeds 20 miles per hour or less right now. So that's good given the snow we've got moving through. And again, I'll look at these temperatures. Only teens right now at noon in mid-November. We're at 14 degrees in Fargo, 16 in Grand Forks. Got to factor in that wind when we're talking about wind chills as well. A wind chill still that's below 0 in several spots, as low as 5 below in Hallock. It feels like 3 below in Langdon. Right now it feels like 1 degree, just 1 degree in Fargo, and a wind chill of 3 in Grand Forks. So feeling very cold out there even as we head into the afternoon. And here comes the snow. You can see this broken line here that's been drifting through eastern North Dakota, getting ready to push into northwest Minnesota, already doing so in fact here in the Northern Valley, with the more substantial snow just moving into Grafton, west of Grand Forks, about to approach the airport there and then eventually into town. So your lunch hour could be impacted by some snow showers, especially on the western side of the Grand cities. And then Southern Valley, quiet right now in Cass County, but we've got that snow pushing into Valley City. It stretches back into that Highway 281 corridor around Jamestown and Point South. So that's coming your way. If you're enjoying some sunshine right now, be prepared for the possibility for more of these snow showers to move in as the afternoon goes on. So more of us in Minnesota will see that possibility. Notice how they're isolated snow showers. So not everybody being impacted at any given time heading into the afternoon, but the potential is there. We'll have temperatures teens to some 20s into this afternoon and evening. And watch how that snow activity kind of ramps up a little bit heading into tonight. This is 9 o'clock. Seeing some of these streamers of snow moving through the valley. And so as they do so, there could be some areas that get an inch or two. That starts to add up with the snow moving over some of the same areas and some of these longer lines. And then into the 11 o'clock hour, we're watching for these northwesterly winds to pick up into the overnight hours and into the morning on Thursday. With those ongoing spotty snow showers, add some stronger winds into the mix, and we know that that can be a big problem in the winter time. So this is our wind gust planner. We're going to start things off tomorrow morning with the wind already picking up, already seeing some gusts into the 30s in eastern North Dakota, out of the northwest. Not as tough yet into the eastern part of our viewing area, but as the day advances, all of us will start to see that wind get stronger and stronger. So this is 9 p.m. We've got gusts to 30 in the east, and some of us, you can see Grand Forks here, getting close to 40 miles per hour or even topping that. So that's going to lead to trouble with any areas that have snow on the ground, and of course those places picking up some snow. So this is our snowfall potential through tomorrow morning. Quick little shot of about an inch of snow or so. A lot of places just getting a quick dusting, but as we go through the day on Thursday and into Friday, we add up a few more inches there total by the time we get into Friday night. And again, we're mixing some wind with that. So we'll have to watch out for some low visibility, kind of tough travel conditions for your first alert weather day Thursday. Could linger a little into Friday. And then we, of course, are kind of on the nose of some much colder air taking over for the weekend. Highs only in the single digit Saturday. But
yeah, that's the first high single digit that I can remember in a long time.
Yeah, it's going to be cold this weekend. And just a heads up, into next week, it does look a lot milder just in time for Thanksgiving week. So hang on to that thought as you're shivering outside.
Think about tomorrow through the whole entire week.
There you go.
Thanksgiving forecast. Lisa, thank you so much.